Welcome to the SysTools SQL Server Recovery Manager, a powerful, all-in-one solution designed to manage, repair, and recover your SQL Server databases with ease and precision. In today's data-driven world, even a small issue in your SQL Server can lead to costly downtime or data loss. That's where this tool steps in, giving you complete control over your SQL Server environment, including recovered data from corrupt SQL Server database. Analyze SQL Server log files. Recovered data from SQL Server backup. Recover SQL Server user password. Decrypt encrypted SQL Server script. View data from SQL Server database. Let's explore how it works. First, to download the software, go to Google and search SysTools SQL Server Recovery Manager. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. After installing the software, simply launch it. You will be greeted with first screen. One of the most important features of SysTools SQL Server Recovery Manager is its SQL Server database recovery functionality. This allows you to recover corrupted .mdf primary database and .ndf secondary data files with ease. For that, select the module Recover Data from Corrupt SQL Server Database. Click on Open option to start the process of adding MDF file. After clicking on the Open button, choose the MDF file and click on Open button to load the file on software. You will see two scan mode, Quick Scan and Advanced Scan. Quick Scan, for databases with minor corruption. Advanced Scan, for more severe corruption, such as database header corruption, index corruption, or file system errors. It performs a deeper, more thorough scan to recover as much data as possible. Check Recover Deleted Objects option to recover deleted database items. Now, click the NDF options. In this section you will see two options to add secondary file. First is Auto Detect the SQL Server Secondary Database.ndf file. After selecting this option, the software automatically detects .ndf file from your system. Second is Let me choose the SQL Server Secondary Database.ndf file. After selecting this option, you can manually select the secondary file by clicking on Add Files or Add Folder. Once you select the scan type, hit the OK button. The tool will begin the recovery process. Depending on the level of corruption and the size of the database, the scan might take some time. During this process, software will check all database structures, including tables, stored procedures, views, functions, triggers, and more. Click Close button. If you want to save scan file, click Yes. Once the scan is complete, the tool will display a preview of the recovered data. You'll see a list of all the database objects that were successfully recovered. The preview allows you to check the integrity of the recovered data. You can see the structure of the tables, the contents of rows, and even view the properties of individual objects. Now, click to Export option. Software provides multiple saving options. To SQL Server database, you can export the recovered database directly to an active SQL Server instance. As SQL script, if you want to manually recreate the database, you can export it as in SQL script. As CSV, for specific tables or datasets, you can export the recovered data as CSV files. Now, let's explore the export option. With only schema, if you select this option, only the structure of the tables, views, or stored procedures will be exported. With schema and data, if you choose this, it will export both the schema and the actual data. Export deleted objects, if checked, it will also export objects that were deleted previously but are still recoverable, like tables or views that were dropped from the database. Export deleted records, if checked, it will export individual records that were deleted but are recoverable from the database's transaction logs or storage pages. Once you've selected your preferred export option, click Save to begin the process. The tool will ask you a destination path where you will want to save recovered data. Select a folder and click OK. The tool will transfer the recovered data to the chosen destination. Depending on the size of your database and the export format, this process might take some time. After completion, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful export of your data. Hit the OK button. At this point, your data is fully recovered. Click Close and navigate the location where you saved recovered SQL Server database. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your data from a corrupt SQL Server database. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.